Bonjour et bienvenue à cette leçon de français. Today we'll learn the most important French verbs that will help you speak confidently. These verbs are essential for everyday conversations. Let's begin. Les 4 verbes les plus importants. The 4 must-know verbs in French. We have être, avoir, aller, faire. Stick with me to the end of this video because there will be a bonus verb. So why are verbs important? Verbs are action words. They help us to speak, ask questions, and express thoughts. Mastering these will boost your confidence in French. Verbs are the heart of any language. Once you know them, forming sentences becomes much easier. Être is one of the most important verbs in French. It means to be and is used in many everyday phrases. Here is how we conjugate it. Je suis, I am, tu es, you are, il est, he is, elle est, she is, nous sommes, we are, vous êtes, you are, ils sont, they are, elles sont, they are. Let's see it in sentences. We use être to describe states and identity. Try saying these sentences aloud with me. Je suis heureux. I am happy. Je suis heureux. Tu es mon ami. You're my friend. Tu es mon ami. You are my friend. Nous sommes étudiants. Nous sommes étudiants. We are students. Nous sommes étudiants. We are students. The verb avoir means to have, and it's often used for possessions, age, and feelings. Here's how we conjugate it. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. Let's see some examples. J'ai un chat. I have a cat. J'ai un chat. I have a cat. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Tu as une voiture. Il a 20 ans. Il a 20 ans. He is 20 years old. Il a 20 ans. In French, we use avoir to talk about age. So instead of saying, I am 20 years old, we say, j'ai 20 ans, which literally means I have 20 years. Funny, right? Now, let's move on to the verb aller. The verb aller means to go. We use it for movement and also to form the near future tense. Let's conjugate it together. Je vais. I go. Tu vas. You go. Il va. He goes. Elle va. She goes. Nous allons. We go. Vous allez. You go. Ils vont. They go. Elles vont. They go. Let's take that again. Je vais. I go. Tu vas. You go. Il va. He goes. Elle va. She goes. Nous allons. We go. Vous allez. You go. Ils vont. They go. Elles vont. They go. Now, let's see it in action. Je vais à l'école. I go to school. Je vais à l'école. Tu vas au supermarché. You go to the supermarket. Tu vas au supermarché. You go to the supermarket. Nous allons en vacances. We are going on vacation. Nous allons en vacances. We are going on a vacation. Aller means to go, and it's also used to form the futur proche, which means the near future. So when you say je vais, it means I am going. For example, je vais manger, which means I am going to eat. Do you see that? Now, time for the verb faire. The verb faire means to do or to make. It's very useful for talking about activities. Let's conjugate this verb together. Je fais, I do, or I make. Tu fais, you do, or you make. Il fait, he does, or he makes. Elle fait, she does, or she makes. Nous faisons, we do, or we make. Vous faites, you do, or you make. Ils font, they do, or they make. Elles font, they do, or they make. In French, we use faire for many activities like cooking, sports, and weather. For example, il fait beau means the weather is nice. Let's look at more examples. Je fais du sport. I do sports. Je fais du sport. I do sports. Tu fais la cuisine. You cook. Tu fais la cuisine. You cook. Nous faisons une promenade. Nous faisons une promenade. We're taking a walk. And for the bonus verb, we have prendre. Prendre, which means to take. The verb prendre means to take, and it is useful for talking about transport, food, and decisions, like the decision you are taking to subscribe to my channel. Let's conjugate the verb prendre together. Je prends. I take. Je prends. I take. Tu prends. You take. Tu prends. You take. Il prend. He takes. Il prend. He takes. Elle prend. She takes. Elle prend. She takes. Nous prenons. We take. Nous prenons. We take. Vous prenez. You take. Vous prenez. You take. Ils prennent. They take. Ils prennent. They take. Elles prennent. They take. Elles prennent. They take. Now let's see how they work in sentences. Je prends un café. Je prends un café. I take a coffee. Elle prend le bus. Elle prend le bus. She takes the bus. Elle prend le bus. She takes the bus. Ils prennent des notes pendant le cours. They take notes during the class. Ils prennent des notes pendant le cours. They take notes during the class. Now let's do a quick recap. Today we learned être, the verb to be. Avoir, the verb to have. Aller, the verb to go. Faire, the verb to do or to make. And we had a bonus verb, prendre, the verb to take. Bravo! You now know 5 essential French verbs. Try using them in your daily conversations. Now here is a practice challenge. Pause the video and try to fill in the blanks. Comment your answers below. Merci d'avoir suivi cette leçon. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun French lessons. À bientôt!